Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful all-natural milk bath to put in your bath and soak away all your problems. So what we're using is powdered milk, oatmeal, cornstarch, lavender, some beautiful flowers, orchids, some fresh fruit and flowers, daisies, wild roses. So I'm going to put everything in my blender here. I'll start by doing halves because I only have a small blender here. So this is the powdered milk. So I try to use all organic things in my products. So this is organic powdered milk. Alright, that's about half. I'm going to do half of the oatmeal, organic oats. And half of the cornstarch. I might add a little bit because that's a lot right now in that blender. Oh, pretty good. Add some lavender. Turn that off. This is lavender that I'm adding. So what you're going to do when you have this milk bath, you're going to use about half a cup, and when your water's running, you're going to add it to the running water so it breaks up nicely in the tub, and then you're just going to swish it around. Use some nice hot water. So I got a lot of lavender in there. I'm just putting the lavender flowering seeds, not the actual stalk. Now I'm going to add some of this fresh fruit. Sorry, it's dehydrated fruit. It was fresh. It's not fresh. Well, it's fresh now, but it's dehydrated, guys. I'm going to put half of my orchids. I'm going to add some daisies. Add some wild roses. These are all herbs that I harvested myself and dehydrated. We're gonna get this mixing up. Probably should have put my herbs in the bottom, so I'm going to just do this for a little bit here. I'm going to put my herbs and my flowers in the bottom. I think it'll mix better that way. Good. The main thing that you want really broken up and really powdered up is the oatmeal. You don't want that getting stuck in your drain. Guys, this would be your milk bath, and you would put about half a cup. See how beautiful it is? You put about half a cup in your tub and soak. So beautiful. So you guys let me know if you want any of this milk bath. It's available on at Rhoda's every Sunday from 9 till 1. And I'm actually bringing this new product with me tomorrow because I am making up some Mother's Day beauty buckets that have 6 of my products in the beauty bucket. So I have like about 30 products now. So you have a list, and well, you'll see the products out there, and we build the buckets as we go. So you can just pick and choose what you like. You get six products for the beauty bucket, and it's $30. So come see me at Rhoda's tomorrow, guys, and try this milk bath out. It's pretty beautiful.